afternoon, Ma'am and Grace. This is our topic, globalization.
Interconnection, readiness, and interdependence of the world of economics, culture, and population driving by cross-border flow and goods, service, technological, investment, people, information making, even and part of the world affect other incomplete process facilitated by tech, internet, transfer, policy, trade, agreement leading to greater integration but also debate over benefits and drawback, economic growth versus quality.
Okay, this is an example of economics, free trade, capital flow, and international supply chain. Connect to economics, allowing business to operate globally. Cultural exchange, spread of ideas, music, food, and cultural. Right? Notes, technological advancement, rapid communication and transformation technology. Like internet, faster, ship, and primary drivers reaching the world. Political formation of international bodies and managed globally.
Definition, driver, technical, internet, digital, communication and advancement and transfer, policy, regulation of trade, barriers, promotion, international of cooperation, investment, trade, flow of capital and goods across border, impact, pros and cons, benefit, economic growth, lower price, greater access to research, cultural understanding and potential for global problem solving. Challenge jobs, staying in some areas, increase equality, environment, social connection, differentiation, and rise in global rise, academic, financial stability.
This is the definition. Globalization means world is becoming connected in movement of people across border, creating a one country, others drive technology and trade. Common more closely than ever. Low exchange information globally.
Example, buying cryonic made in Asia, designed in America, sold worldwide, watching movie, listening music from the parent country and see. Technical, internet, faster communication make global connection possible. Translation, cheaper, faster way to move goods and people.
And this is the operating many countries as such. Thank you.